Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today is another episode of the account flip. I've taken £25 and I have the last episode traded it up to £125. We're probably going to take this account to let's say 500 likes, and what I'll do with this account, I'll trade it up to let's say £500 to do the FTMO challenge. I'll take the FTMO, then I'll do carrying on the series, trading the FTMO challenge, the verification, and then the funded account. If we get 500 likes, I will do that. If we don't get 500 likes, then I won't. So, smash the like button. And that will be when I hit 10k subs, hopefully. So subscribe as well. But yeah, I'm not gonna say right now what the account is on at the end of this episode. I'm just gonna wait, so you have to watch the whole video to find out. But let's say we have made a lot of profit. Now the account is actually up to a level where I can use maybe bigger lot sizes. Like in the last video, I had to use 0.05 and I caught a 370 pip move because I was using small lot sizes. Just a 0.05, I couldn't really maximize my profit because I only had £25 in the account. So yeah, now what we can do is actually maximize our profit by maybe scaling in bigger lot sizes, and yeah, just seeing what happens when we start using bigger risk every trade, and hopefully we can still stay consistent. We haven't actually had any losing trades on this account so far, so yeah, let's get into the video. Firstly, what I'm going to do is say I do not recommend trading like this at all. If you trade like this, you will most likely blow your account if you're obviously not a good trader. I obviously know how to trade. I trade full time, so I know what I'm on about. But I see a lot of beginners, they get in trading for the wrong reasons, and it's just an easy way to blow your money. Not everyone can be a profitable trader. If you can't handle losses, you're not going to make it in trading. These gurus will be like, anyone can be a trader, anyone can replace their 9 to 5. Nope, not everyone can be a trader. Everyone can say they're a trader, but not everyone can do it. And I'm going to show you my FX book in a minute on this account after I've gone through the analysis for today, what I'm looking for, what I actually entered. So yeah, let's go into the charts now and see what we're looking at. Okay, so now we are actually on the charts. I'm just basically going to show you what I've been looking at. Obviously I only trade gold, so this isn't going to be like, so I'm looking at GBP AUD, I'm looking at Euro JPY, I'm looking at pound, yen, stuff like that. I only trade one pair, so I'm just focusing on this pair. So obviously the last episode you saw this trade here. Gold, big bearish push, from 1760 down to 1717. So a nice 430 pip move down to the downside. Had this correction here, and then this area here is where we got our entries, and then we carried that down around 373 pips. Beautiful trade. Called in my VIP as well. There's a link in the description if you do want to join there. I'm not saying you have to join, but it's there if you want it, if you just want to follow my trades, my analysis. This one as well, the same thing pretty much happened as here, but just obviously the other way around. And we did have a few different strategies behind the scenes which I don't share anywhere, which led to this trade having a nice 3%, another nice 170 pips. I have been using slightly bigger stop losses, but we're still catching these big moves. You see, I just placed a bigger stop loss in this one because we're being careful, because this area, there was a lot of volatility in this area, so we weren't looking to get stopped out before the move actually happened. And yeah, we are on a higher time frames here, but if we go down, let's say the 30-minute now, we haven't actually been able to trade much on gold, because when I'm trading gold, I usually catch these big 300 plus pip moves, and I've just been able to, well, since gold came down to the 1707 area, we've pretty much been consolidating in this one big range here. Although we did actually manage to catch this move here in the VIP, and around this area down here, I posted on my story to buy gold right down here, and then boom. So follow my Instagram. Today, I don't get how people don't see this in the markets. Like, there's clearly a big support area here. and then look what happens. So say we had stops just below here. You know, it's just simple trading. You target the top of this consolidation where this line is here, where we had our entry, where we had price reject, where price entered this zone. You just target there, look, 1 to 8. Like, simple trading here. But we haven't actually been able to capitalize on any of this consolidation really, apart from this move up here. Everyone was selling gold down here, you know. Banks love stopping all these stupid retail traders out, where they just can't realize that it's a fake out. Like, it's obvious. And then yeah, I entered. I'll quickly get it up and I can see where I entered. You know, because I'm using bigger lot sizes on this account, I don't like to hold them, especially with the volatility on gold. I've just been using the 1 minute, smaller lot sizes, just boom, pips. I'm just trying to build up. Even if it's £3-4 per trade, you know, it's just building it up. So then we can use those big lot sizes. But yeah, I entered at 17, 16. So like, just here after this bullish engulfing. But I did call on my Instagram to buy down here. Yeah, people were laughing. Who's laughing now?
You all laughed at me. Well, I have to say, you're not laughing now, are you?
Yeah, we closed it around here. We caught this little move, and then price obviously came down to retest this area once again. If we now go on my FX book, I might leave this in the description below, I might not. But you know, we'll see. It obviously says 1000% gain. You know, we're loving life on this account. Look, it's all verified, real. You know, it's not fake. But this account says profit 278, deposit 276, and I'll explain that now why it says that. Because so if you look on the account history, if you go back to 9th of December 2020, we had a £250 deposit. This was, I was just putting 250 into an account. I was just going to trade that, you know, just for a week, and then obviously we had some profit, we had some losses, but overall we came out profitable with these 100 pip gold trades. You know, 18 pips, 23 pips here, minus 22 pips here. But overall, we withdrew £356 from the account, so there was none left in the account. And then 28th of February, as you can see, we deposited the £25 transfer from my other account, my other trading account. I just put that in this account so I could do this little challenge. As you see, 280 pip gold trade, £20 on a 0.01. £20 on a 0.01, insane. £280, 280 pips, £80 profit here. You know, another 29 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips, 12 pips, 10 pips, 25 pips. But all these trades, because obviously they're varying lot sizes, we've got £8, £2, £3, £4, £3, £9. And then we have a small 3 pip loss here. It wasn't actually a loss because it was placed at the same time as these, but I was trying to close them at pretty much break even. As you see, by the time I closed them, it was in a loss slightly, but I wouldn't count that as a loss, because technically it wasn't a loss. So all the trades we've entered, we've won, because I was just trying to close them. And you know gold's volatility, what it's like. We couldn't actually close it quick enough at break even, because our stop loss wasn't placed at break even yet. So what we had here, 30 pip win, that's what I was talking about here, this little candle here, nice £33 profit. As you see, because this trade account has all these losses from before in December when I wasn't actually that good at trading, that's why the win rate is only 69%. On these trades, technically it would say, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got 12 trades and we won 11. So 11 divided by 12 times 100. You know, we got 91% win rate on this account, even though we technically did win 100% of the trades. But you know, we're not going to go into that. Average trade length, you can see all of this, link in the description down below. I'm going to share it all. Yeah, as you see, it's all public. And March, 600%, 800%, 1000% gain. So now what we're looking at on the markets for this week. Since 24 hours ago, gold has been in this range of consolidation. So we haven't actually been looking to really enter many trades. So what I'm predicting for this week, I think this video is going up on the Friday, so the 5th of March. So what we're actually looking for is gold to obviously break this zone. Is it going to break up? Is it going to break down? Well, we'll see. We can see price come down to 1670 area, or we can see price come back up to 1950. So we'll see. But obviously NFP is tomorrow because it's the first Friday of every month. So we are being a bit cautious on this here. But yeah, what I'm going to do now is just show you that it is the same account. So you see here, account balance 198.58. Account balance is 198.58. Boom, live account. As you see, it says live. We go on here, history, go on the weekly. At the top there, £25 deposit. We have all the trades. Had loads of buy limits set, but I cancelled them, so there's nothing on them. As you see, £25 deposit. If it focuses, then £173 profit in 3 days of trading. 3 days of trading, £173. And we're not even risking the whole account per trade either. We're risking a small portion of the account. So it's not like these flip videos where they blow 10 accounts trying to do it and then they get it right once, so they post it. Okay guys, so we have actually just made some profit on gold. I did say in the previous clip, I'm pretty sure, that I would keep you updated with any trades I take, and yeah, I have taken some. So I'm going to show you on the phone now what actually happened. Okay, so as you see, gold is absolutely plummeting. I would have held my positions a bit longer, but you know, gold's so volatile at the moment, and I just didn't think it was worth the risk. So we closed. Bit of hectic trading today, I'm not going to lie. Gold has been going up and down, up and down, up and down, consolidating. I probably shouldn't have traded as much as I have. But yeah, I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the phone, the trades for today, and show you it's the same account because people call it fake. Okay. So here we go. Okay, so we had these two small losses, £11, £14, and what you notice is the winners are always slightly bigger. This one, I did actually place the stop loss wrong. I was using like a 10 to 15 pip stop loss and I placed this one wrong. But yeah, that's minor. You see, when we have our winners, boom, they're bigger. Gold is absolutely plummeting. As you see, I probably could have held, you know, another 40 pips, 30, 40 pips here. Could have doubled my profit. But obviously, I'm not over trading. I'm just sticking to the plan. Oh my god. Gold is absolutely melting. It's absolutely melting. If we go on lower time frames, you can see, boom. And the key is to not get FOMO. So you see prices dropping here. We were watching it just here, weren't we? I could have just entered because I saw it plummeting, but I'm not. I'm happy with our profits for the day. I'm happy with the account, and I'm not going to enter. See, you would have entered at the bottom there, wicked up straight away, and now we're probably going to carry on falling. If we look, boom, we've broken out of this consolidation now. So yeah, we'll see what price does if it carries on down. So yeah, we close it around 1710, 1712, that area. And now we went down to 1704 sort of area. So you know, we could have held for another like 60 to 80 pips on this pair. But you know, it's minor facts. But the account is now on £236.98. If I show you this week, we deposited £25. If it focus, there you go, £25 deposit, £211 profit. The same trades as before, and as you see, boom, live account. Seen here. See, look, you would have FOMO bought down here, pulled back right away. You would have been stopped out, or you would have over leveraged, blown your account. So yeah, that's why you shouldn't FOMO trades, and a perfect example of me filming this right here. We're happy with the profits, so we're not going to trade. As you see, pulling right back now. That is all for today's video. You know, we started the episode on 125. We're ending it on £236.98. So although it has been shorter episode technically than the last one, we have actually made more profit. So in the time since the last video's been up, we've made £111. The first episode we made £100. So yeah, £100 every episode, that'd be lovely. We could get that £500 to do our FTMO challenge. But yeah, if you did enjoy, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.